We keep on pushing the limits of what is conceivable with a module half and half, improving to make vehicles that hold the best bits of their petroleum derivative reciprocals, while manufacturing a future where electric force is the standard. The Engelberg Tourer is the thing that happens when our vision for an electric, associated future meets our unlimited drive to investigate. The Engelberg Tourer advances our Mark dynamic shield grille, yet we needed to give it something striking the entirety of its own, so we included an electric rooftop box with front-mounted LED mist lights, completely fit to the sensational landscape of its namesake in the Swiss Alps. All that we got the hang of planning the Outlander PHEV has been filled the Engelberg Tourer, and it sports a similar S-AWC 4WD framework developed for our assembly vehicles. The outcome is more hold on dangerous surfaces and better steadiness when you desert the landing area.